Who doesn't like RGB light? This is Ulanzi C10 RGB light, a very compact, lightweight, portable RGB light. So if you are a content creator, then you might need RGB light to spice up your background or to do different things when you are making videos. So let's see if Ulanzi C10 RGB helps you to make better videos. So let's start with the unboxing. Here's the box. You can see if I just open the box, I'll get a documentation. Then I'll get the light itself. This is a clip mount. I'll talk about it later. And here is a camera mount. If you want to mount the light on your camera, then you can use that. Lastly, we'll get this Type-C cable. Now let's look at the light. If I unpack the light, here's the light. You can see this is a square design light from Ulanzi. So here you will get a diffuser. The diffuser is attached with the light in a magnetic way, like that. So you can just attach or detach the diffuser if you want. So here is the light itself. You can see the LED bulbs here. These are the white LED bulbs and these are the warm LED bulbs, and here these are the RGB LED bulbs. If we go to the back side, you can see there is a display. Here is a button to power it on. This is a Type-C to charge it up. There is two dial. The first one is you can change the color temperature, or you can change the RGB color using the first dial, and this one is the dim dial. You can change the intensity of the light using this dial. Ulanzi has provided this clip mount. You can just slide the mount here and then you can clip the light wherever you want. So I think this is a creative choice and it will give you a lot of flexibility when you are using the light. You don't need to use light stand so often. You can just clip it. And next one is the camera mount. It will work similarly. You can just slide it here and then you can mount the light on top of your camera. Now let's see the weight of the light. If I attach the diffuser and then see, this is 138 grams, and if I detach the diffuser, it's 120 grams. It's the same weight of Ulanzi VL120 RGB light. So here you can see this is 121 grams and this one is 120 grams. So the weight of these two lights is pretty similar. To turn it on, you can press here on the mode button and it will light up the display. So if you press the mode button, you can go to different mode. Like here, it is in RGB mode. Now if I move the dial here, I can change the color of the light. And if I want to decrease the intensity, I can just turn this dial, which is the dim dial, from this side. So if I want, I can go here. Again, if I press it, I can go to the effects mode. So this is the scene mode. There are so many effects that you can use for your videos. Like this is the fireworks. Now if I change it using this dial, I can go to the lighting mode, fire engine, ambulance, cop car, HSL fast, HSL slow, blue flash, green flash, red flash, HL beam, emergency, paparazzi, RGB strobe, pulsing, fault bulb, 30, candle, fireworks, TV. So that's it. So there are so many effects that you can use. Again, you can press here. Now this will act like a normal light. You can light up your scene using this mode. You can change the color temperature and it can go from 9000 Kelvin to 1800 Kelvin. So here you can see it is 5600 Kelvin. I can change it to 9000 Kelvin like that. So this is the cooler tone that you will get from this light, which is 9000 Kelvin. I can change it here to 1800 Kelvin. So this is the warmest light that you can get from this light. So there are so many options that you can get. Next to the power button, there is a Type-C port that you can use to charge this light. This light has a 3300 milliampere hour battery that will last about 50 minutes if you use this light to its fullest brightness. And if you set the light brightness to 1%, then you can use this light about 480 minutes. That is huge. So you can use the light to light up different section of your scene, and the light doesn't cost a lot. I'll put a link in the description. That is my affiliate link. So if you want to purchase the light, you can use my affiliate link to support this channel too. So that is all about this light. I really like this light, and yeah, you can use it also to lighten up or spice up your scene. That is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn about different camera gear accessories, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.